welcome back to the channel. And man, I'm just go up into the car wash now. You know, when I did that stuff this morning, got that car going, got that guy car going. You know, it ain't that money. I'm over into the car wash. Birds kind of used my car as target practice overnight or early this morning. I didn't even notice it because I walked around the back of my car and just jumped in this morning. And so, I ain't even notice. Until I was out using the left side of my car. Target practice. But it's all good, you know. I'm sick of you people steady talking about, man, you came to the hood last night, you ain't even started to fuck with me. And I came to the hood to go to the shop to kick it with the old heads. You know, the guys who 20, 30, 40 years older than me. You know, that I can learn life lessons from. I'm sick of it. You know, I ain't rocking with none of you motherfuckers over there in the hood. Y'all can't teach me shit about how to die and how to go to jail. You know, and half of y'all ain't even believing in God. Y'all still on that same street BS. You know, wanna be in the streets, wanna do this, wanna do that. Man, y'all gotta go the fuck up. Level up. I went to the shop, kicked it with the old hand, somebody got an hour or so, and got out the way, made my other moves, and got far out the way. I ain't trying to be no clown's way. Hey, me been up on the train tracks. Do I need to vacuum? Nah, I don't. I could though. I could vacuum, especially. Yeah, my side I could. I've been all in here. You know, so I ain't rocking with a lot of you people, cause y'all ain't bringing no positivity, no none of that. Bet y'all ain't bringing no positivity, no none of that. So. Why rock with y'all? Why I come to the hood to fuck with y'all? Nah, I'm good on that. And my mini babe will say, right here, coming up. Wait, where is that? Oh, Bear! But yeah, so, I'm too grown for that. I grew a lot of you people. You know, y'all just want to stay in the hood and do this, do that. And the third, I'm good. Y'all had do with the hood. Fuck the hood. If I could, I'd take my girls and see they still want to go to Texas. But anyways, I catch y'all in the next video. As always, stay positive. Stay blessed. Like, comment, subscribe.